Days are getting warmer here in Bangladesh and we are in the middle of the Arise Asia Cup 2014. It's India versus Pakistan coming to you live from Mirpur.
Pakistan. A gentle single out to long. Then he'll pick the gap. No worries at all. Miscue the shot. And he'll find the gap on the offside. Seems to me already one of those grounds.
The wicket keepers have a particular expression. That's nicely played. He's using his feet. Atala!
Oh, he's given it. Now the only question was, did it pitch outside leg? He was struck on. He doesn't mind the bounce. He doesn't mind the pace. He sent it the distance. Oh, he does play the shot well. Every innings. Oh, short and wide. He'll get the boundary. Well, from time to time he's playing this shot. This pickup shot has come off. The boundary has been brought in, I suspect. So that's a six, but only just.
There's lots of overs still to come. And he will get deliveries at it. He will get his runs. That should be another boundary. So 10 runs of 2 balls for Rohit. Field restriction. Nice shot. Pitched up. Very good shot. Has it gone all the way?
Virat Kohli. Oh, well. What's he had for breakfast? Either that or he's gauged. Oh, he's edged him straight. Keeper had nothing to do. There was no slip at all. Maybe that is what induced Kohli to play the shot. The Pakistanis will be celebrating. This is a big... What a comeback over. Not anymore. This is a wonderful shot.
Oh, that's so well at the other end. He's got it through. Placement was the key on that occasion. He's gloved it. Short boundaries, no chance for that fielder there. There's the big booming drive on the offside. That brings up his 50. And a very healthy strike rate.
What a knock. 7 fours, 2 sixes.
It's gone straight up. 3 fielders almost getting under the ball. And the fielder was running backwards, who takes the catch, kept his nerves. But there was another fielder advancing towards him. In fact, that fielder.
Oh, that's well played. That's a brave shot.
You spoke about the ball hitting the bat manufacturers.
He's gone. Straight into mid-wicket's hands. Ajinkya Rahane, we were just discussing, he's got to be a little circumspect.
If he can get wickets. Oh, there it is. Getting the dusra out very well. That's a boundary. Not sure that the rider was in complete instant.
He's played that into the air, just wide of that fielder.
They've just found the gap there in the deep. Welcome runs for Dinesh Karthik. This phase. Gone. Trying that sweep shot. And it seems that Saeed Ajmal has taken a low tumbling catch. The leg side. But interesting just watching that head to head. He'll pick up a... Well, it's a boundary.
That's nicely chipped away. Spun the gap. Has it got enough legs? Yes, it has.
Now he struck that beautifully. Down the wicket, he plays this shot a lot in 20 overs cricket. But it's still very early days in his career. I was interested in the past tense. Now he's more young at heart. First 50 comes up for Ambati Rayudu. Second 50 correction, but a very valuable one. 55 balls at a very good rate. Oh, that's a great shot. He's gone off stint also. That's beautifully placed. What a good shot. Hafiz just a little bit wider.
Jadeja would have been in trouble. Well, that struck magnificently. Nearly took his head off.
And he places it again, from the square for 4.
And just as you were talking, but I think he's not got enough distance on it. No, he hasn't. Anwar Ali will not drop those. That's meat and drink.
Took it very cleanly, very comfortably.
I think he's got hold of that one. And that's a very, very big one. Just wonder if the left-hander, if he bowls clever here. Maybe just riding his luck, and that is a more. There is absolutely no subtlety about that. He gets 4. Is that a baseballer, Betty? That'll run away to stay out of reach from Umar Gulia. Defy that. He's got hold of that, and it will go all the way. Oh, well over the boundary. 16 runs from that. Ravindra Jadeja is on fire here. 237.
He's gone this time. He's a gonzo. Just didn't pick the dusra. Such a canny bowler.
Man doesn't suffer at all by comparison. He might be taking another wicket here. Sohaib Maqsood picks up the catch. Mohammad Shami is gone. This is turning out to be as good a last. Now how high was that? It's run away. Can they come back with 2 again? Jadeja is taking his chance with a throw. I think he's home. 50 comes up for Ravindra Jadeja. Well played, young man. 50 from 46 balls. Another very fine innings for a player who's growing in stature with every single arrival at the crease. And again gets it high on the bat. They will dart back for the second. No, they don't. I just thought you had to go, come what may, but they don't. They said that's enough. They've done 50 overs here, and India will finish at 245 for it. 2 high full tosses from Junaid in that last over actually came in quite handy. 245 for it, then Pakistan will chase 246. Bhuvneshwar Kumar. He starts off, but there is a third man out. Well done by Mohammad Shami. Fine leg is very square, and that's good enough to go into the boundary ahead of Mohammad Shami.
Subcontinent conditions. Oh, that's beautifully timed. What a good-looking shot from Ahmed Shahzad.
Trying to get that swing away from the left-hander. That's going to be 4.
Easily get you uptight and frustrated.
Lovely pull shot. Perfectly played. Bhuvneshwar Kumar. There's that swing. That's what I want to see Bhuvneshwar Kumar doing. That's gone for 4 though. But the idea was right. Virat Kohli will have to pick that ball up. He's gone straight. Always a safe shot to play. There's only the side screen there to worry about.
Work will be tested against spin.
Where has this gone? It's gone in the crowd. Can we have the ball? Another pull shot. Another boundary.
Ish.
This is a lovely shot. This is a back foot cover drive against the spinner.
And there was no one patrolling the fence on the off.
More runs. Make that 4 runs. Problem.
Oh, well, it's gone through, and now this is the breakthrough. Sharjeel with a slightly lazy looking cover drive.
Because the new ball is difficult. What a shot. First ball. Second ball by Hafiz. Straight over mid-on for the maximum.
We implemented for either side. And taken straight at mid-wicket. This is a very good spell from Amit Mishra. And Ahmed Shahzad is just looking back at that and saying, did I really do that? There was a man at short mid-wicket. That's a good ball that's gone through. Now there could be trouble at the non-strikers end. Yes! Misbah-ul Haq must wonder what on earth is happening to the... Oh, just too short. Jadeja's not getting it right here.
3 wickets.
This has gone straight up. Difficult one for Jadeja, but he's a good fielder. I tell you what, he almost turned 360 degrees but kept his eyes on the ball. And boy, he's a confident cricketer.
To win this one.
The sound was nice and crisp. Result as well, very good. There's the carom ball, played with the spin, you would say. That's a good shot.
Because edged away, very close to Dinesh Karthik.
Should be 2 here. Now the worrisome part there is it's 8.64 the economy rate. Now Hafiz, we talked about the fact that he controls this game. He's got to a 50. Well played. That's an unusual way of. Now there's a man in the deep and will fall just short.
There's that big one. Will it clear the fence? It just goes over. First boundary that Amit Mishra has conceded. And Pakistan. That's 6. Magnificently played by Hafiz. What a pickup shot. What a moment to hit a 6. The pressure was mounting, and this shot will provide a lot. Up in the air, this should be taken, and it's taken on second attempt. Oh, chance of a run out is gone. Soed Maqsood is run out. India can't believe their luck. There was Hafiz who faltered and fell, and it's Soed Maqsood who's given his wicket away. Indecision between the two runs. Big shot, it's gone flat, it's done the distance. Shahid Afridi has hit a massive 6. And well, he's got Pakistan back in it.
Pull it. This is much better.
There's the lap sweep. This may run away from the fielder. It's a boundary. So momentum is clearly, to a certain degree, now back with Pakistan. Sweeps, finds the fence. Great batting by Shahid Afridi. He's got great ability. He's always had ability. That's gone. 6 from goal. Wow, what a response. Kumar under pressure, under fire. This is... It's up in the air. This should be taken. Long on. Gets the catch. Umar Gul is removed. Rahane takes a good one. This game is... Abhius Tala is batting. He makes room. That's gone up in the air. Another wicket should fall here. Jadeja is very good with those catches. He takes the catch. Not only a wicket, but a dot ball as well. Talha has been removed. Ashwin with the last over. It's bowled in round his legs. It's the first bowler for Saeed Ajmal. He's dismissed. Afridi makes room, goes up in the air. Has he connected? It's gone. It's 6. Shahid Afridi. Unbelievable shot. What a strike under pressure. Indians can't believe it. Shahid Afridi is talking to Junaid Khan. Out. He goes again. Goes big. That's up in the air. And it's 6. Shahid Afridi, you beauty. What a win. Pakistan have snatched it. Shahid Afridi has done it. He has many a time stunned the world with his belligerent batting, and he couldn't have been better tonight. What striking under pressure. Unbelievable batting from Shahid Afridi. The entire team is out there. They can't believe it. India had it covered until Shahid Afridi came on strike, and well, he's won a memorable match for Pakistan.
सूरह यासीन की फजीलत। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहु। सूरह यासीन को कुरान का दिल कहा गया है। जो इंसान इसे अल्लाह की रज़ा और सवाब की नीयत से पढ़ता है, अल्लाह ताला उस पर अपनी रहमत नाजिल फरमाता है और उसके दिल को सुकून देता है। बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि सूरे यासीन पढ़ने से बिगड़े हुए काम बन जाते हैं। इस बारे में ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि कुरान अल्लाह की बरकत और हिदायत का ज़रिया है। अगर कोई इंसान ईमान, दुआ और अच्छे अमल के साथ सूरे यासीन पढ़े तो अल्लाह अपनी मर्जी से उसकी मुश्किलें आसान कर सकता है और उसके लिए बेहतर रास्ते खोल सकता है। लेकिन ये कहना कि हर बिगड़ा काम सिर्फ सूरे यासीन पढ़ने से ज़रूर बन जाएगा, सही नहीं है। हदीस में सूरे यासीन की फजीलत ज़रूर बयान हुई है, लेकिन इसकी कुछ मशहूर रिवायतों की सनद पर उलमा ने अलग अलग राय दी है। इसलिए हमें फजीलत बयान करते समय एहतियात से काम लेना चाहिए। आइए हम रोज़ाना कुरान की तिलावत करें, सूरे यासीन को समझ कर पढ़ें, अल्लाह से दुआ करें और उसी पर पूरा भरोसा रखें। अल्लाह ताला हमारी दुआओं को कबूल फरमाए और हमारी तमाम जायज़ मुश्किलों को आसान फरमाए। आमीन।
अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। यासीन वल क़ुरआनिल हकीम। इन्नका लमिनल मुरसलीन अला सिरातिम मुस्तकीम। तंज़ीलल अज़ीज़िर रहीम। लितुन्ज़िर क़ौमन मा उन्ज़िर आबाउहुम फहुम गाफ़िलून। लक़द हक़्क़ल क़ौलु अला अक्सरिहिम फहुम ला युमिनून। इन्ना जअलना फ़ी अअनाक़िहिम अग़लाला फ़हिय इलल अज़क़ानि फ़हुम मुक़महून। वजअलना मिन बैनि अयदीहिम सद्दन वमिन खल्फ़िहिम सद्दन फ़अग़शयनाहुम फ़हुम ला युबसिरून। वसवाء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون. إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم. إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين. واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون إذ أرسلنا إليهم اثنين فكذبوهما فعززنا بثالث فقالوا إنا إليكم مرسلون. قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون. قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم. قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغني عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون وآية لهم الأرض الميتة أحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين وإذا قيل لهم اتقوا ما بين أيديكم وما خلفكم لعلكم ترحمون وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا بما كنتم تعملون إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون سلام قولا من رب رحيم وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين وأن يعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون ومن نعمره ننكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون وذللناها لهم فمنها ركوبهم ومنها يأكلون ولهم فيها منافع ومشارب أفلا يشكرون واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون أولم ير الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم بلى وهو الخلاق العليم إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون